At Long Electric and Air Conditioning, our fully licensed technicians have the knowledge, skill, and equipment to handle all of your air conditioning services. You have the peace of mind that comes with knowing that they go through continuous training, such as EPA certification, to keep up with changing technology and practices. We proudly install equipment by leading companies such as Amana, Goodman, Bryant, Trane, and Lennox, but we service all makes and models. Let us inspect your air conditioning system to check for proper operation, look for any leaks, and ensure that it's working as efficiently as possible. After the inspection, your technician will explain your options for any repairs that may be needed. Estimates are free, so call Long Electric and Air Conditioning today.